Let's make product manipulation. Make 3 red shade gradient background. Bring chips product and adjust it. Clip new layer and brush with yellow. Put blend move to dot linear dodge. Take new layer on background and brush with light shade. Now brush with smoke brush with yellow color. Take mask on layer and remove some parts. Bring chips in PNG and adjust it, then apply mask 2. Remove some parts. Clip new layer and brush with brown shade in potato. Bring chilies in PNG and adjust it. Apply color balance on chilies and adjust its values. Thank you for watching.